Try me. The device is practically begging to be tried. Actually, it's something like a washing vacuum cleaner, but it's compact. And this one, yeah, look, it's this small contraption, yeah, on wheels.
Yeah.
And here the Chinese have really improved it because it actually has the function of a washing vacuum cleaner. You can remove dirt from different surfaces like furniture, carpets, and please demonstrate. Okay, it's gonna be loud now. Yes, 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 yes. That's how loud it will be in your home if you have one. And there are different modes. Oh, several steam modes. So more steam, less steam, and hot water. Well, obviously, regular water too. So overall, it's a pretty useful device for home use. If you have children, pets, and so on. And it's really small and compact. That's very important. And basically, you see, look here, there's steam, and there's a nice stream of steam, good pressure. It might be hard to see in some places, but it's there. There you go. And as for the price, we talked about it in rubles, and it's a little over 4,000 rubles. But that's the price as an option. Yes, the factory price. I mean, well, in Russia, it will be around 10 bucks, no less, if it sells. Well, that's how useful the device is. By the way, for those who are short on space, like a small studio or apartment, look, the Chinese have made a really cool vacuum cleaner storage system. Or it's, well, a real vacuum cleaner. You don't even have to hold it. That's how it's done. Assembled. And here's the telescope. And then you use it, yes, vacuum. Well, by the way, it's pretty well made, right? That's how the quality. Yes. Oh, and then when you're done using it, well, I'll figure it out now. You place the vacuum cleaner here. There's also the self-cleaning base and the suction tube. It's really cool here. There's also some extra detail here, but the battery is removable. There you go. Well, that's all great, of course. You won't surprise anyone with any of this. But the format itself, well, it's very much so. Then the Chinese say, yes, here, actually, there's a small dust collector, and you can use all of this. Well, regarding the price, the Chinese say a little over 5,000 is also the factory price. Well, it's a bit expensive, frankly, because usually Chinese devices have an extra 3 times the price for P. Well, although for 50, in principle, it's not so bad, yes. Let me know in the comments what you think. Overall, the format is interesting. Yes, there's another story here. I didn't see it right away. It works for suction. And also for blowing. That is, you can change the airflow, the direction, and accordingly use it for different purposes. Both as a vacuum cleaner and as a way to blow something around with leaves. Well, you get the idea, right? So all in all, for around 15,000, even if it costs more on the Russian market, I think it's a pretty good device. Well, in terms of reliability, you need to use it and try it out.